I've been gone so long, mama, down roads I shouldn't know. I've carried shame like luggage everywhere I go. I've done a lot of things, mama, I wish I could undo. But somewhere in the darkness, Jesus came shining through. Mama, can I come home? Your daughter's been gone too long. I left with a restless heart, but I'm coming back with a song. Jesus found me just in time, before my hope was gone. I'm not the girl who walked away. Mama, can I come home? I've been a lot of places where love was bought and sold. I smiled on the outside, but inside I was cold. I thought I'd find my freedom out there on my own, but every road I traveled just led me farther from home. Mama, can I come home? Your daughter's been gone too long. I left with a restless heart, but I'm coming back with a song. Jesus found me just in time, before my hope was gone. I'm not the girl who walked away. Mama, can I come home? I remember you praying with your Bible on your knees, calling out my name, saying, Lord, bring her back to me. Well, heaven heard you, mama, every tear and every cry. The shepherd found your wandering lamb before she crossed that line. I don't have much to bring you, just a heart that's been made new, a suitcase full of mercy and a testimony too. I can see that porch light burning like it did when I was young, and I can almost hear you saying, child, I knew this day would come.